Hello guys, welcome to my channel Chico Kids. Today we learn numbers 1 to 20 numbers 1 to 20 numbers and colors and missing numbers. Learn numbers. Number 1. There is no number 1. Let's learn. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20. Draw box. 1 20 box. Let's learn color. Red color, orange color, green color, 3 number, blue color, 4 number, purple color, 5 number, pink color, 6 number, yellow color, 7 number, red color, 8 number, orange color, 9 number, blue color, 10 number, blue color, 11 number, dark green color, pink color, 40 number, orange color, 50 number, red color, 60 number, orange color, 70 number, blue color, 80 number, green color, 90 number, pink color, 20 number. Let's learn numbers. Number 1. Kids, please like my video and subscribe my channel. Number 1. Number 2. Number 1. Number 2. Number number 3, number 4, number 5, number 6, number 7, number 8, number 9, number 10, number 11, number 12, number 13, number 14, number 15, number 16, number 17, number 18, number 19, 20. Wow, it's looking like a wow. Guys, please like my video and subscribe my channel. See you next video. Bye bye kids. Love you.